In spring 1990, Eglin Air Force Base in Northwest Florida became the site of one of the most compelling UFO military encounters on record. Just 3 years after the famous Gulf Breeze sightings, this incident involved advanced radar and fighter jet interceptors. Shortly after dusk, on a mild April evening, radar operators at Eglin detected an unidentified target coming in from the southwest over the Gulf of Mexico. The object showed extreme speed and erratic movement before it suddenly slowed down and began hovering near the coastline. Eglin's top-tier radar systems confirmed it wasn't a glitch. The return was strong and solid. Following protocol, the base scrambled 2 F-15 Eagle interceptors. As the jets closed in, the pilots made visual contact with a brilliant structured light hovering at about 10,000 feet. They described a central white light with 2 smaller red amber lights on its sides. Suddenly, the central light split into 2 separate sources. The pilots watched in disbelief as the lights executed an impossible vertical climb, accelerating straight up far beyond the F-15's capabilities. Within seconds, the object vanished from both visual sight and radar. Ground controllers tracked the entire event. Radar data showed the object accelerating from near hover to extreme velocity before disappearing completely. Internal communications called it unexplained aerial motion. Officially, the Air Force never commented. The event was logged internally and kept quiet for years. However, multiple retired servicemen later confirmed the incident, saying it was one of the most baffling events of their careers. This case stood out from the Gulf Breeze sightings because it featured military radar, trained observers, and fighter jet confirmation. It gave credibility to the wave of UFO reports happening across the Florida Panhandle. For ufologists, it proved the U.S. military was still encountering and pursuing UFOs long after Project Blue Book ended. The similarities to later Navy encounters, like the Tic Tac and gimbal videos, are striking. Extreme acceleration, glowing objects, and radar tracking. Skeptics claim it was a secret U.S. aircraft, but the F-117 and B-2 lacked the described performance and luminous features, and Eglin operators would have recognized them immediately. The pilots were reportedly visibly shaken after the encounter. In an environment built on control and technology, facing something they couldn't catch or identify was deeply unsettling. More than 30 years later, the 1990 Eglin Air Force Base incident remains one of Florida's strongest UFO cases, backed by radar data, eyewitness testimony from trained military personnel, and official silence. What do you think was really over Eglin that night? And make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best documented UFO cases.